Hey everyone, welcome back to Open Exploit. Here we break down cybersecurity in the simplest way possible. Today we are diving into one of the most common and dangerous web vulnerabilities out there, SQL injection or SQLi. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it is, how it works, and how attackers exploit with real examples. So let's get started. SQL injection is a type of cyber attack that targets the database of a website. It happens when the application takes user input and adds it directly into SQL query without checking or cleaning it. Let me simplify that for you. Imagine you go to a website and enter your username and password. Behind the scenes, the website runs a SQL query to check if those details are correct. But if the input isn't filtered or protected, an attacker can insert malicious SQL code instead of username and trick the system. Let's say the website runs this query. Now the attacker types this in the username field. That makes the query looks like this. Since 1 equals 1 is always true, the attacker gets access, no password required. There are different types of SQL injection. Number 1, classic or in-band SQL injection. You enter malicious input and see the result directly. Number 2, blind SQL injection. You don't get direct feedback, so you ask yes or no question and watch the app's behavior. Number 3, time-based SQL injection. You add a delay like sleep 5 to test if the condition is true. Number 4, out-of-bound SQL injection. Data is exfiltrated using another channel like DNS or HTTP. With SQL injection, attackers can number 1, bypass login page, number 2, steal sensitive user data, number 3, modify or delete database records, number 4, even take control of the whole server if other flaws exist. So, how do you prevent this? Number 1, use prepared statements. Don't mix input with SQL logic. Number 2, use ORMs. Framework like Django, Laravel, and Hibernate handle this securely. Number 3, validate inputs. Only accept expected input formats. Number 4, apply least privilege. The database user should have limited permissions. Number 5, handle errors gracefully. Never show raw SQL errors to the user. To really understand SQL injection, let's try DVWA. So to wrap this up, SQL injection is old but still deadly. If you are building web app or learning hacking, understand SQL injection is essential. If you found this video useful, hit that like button and subscribe to Open Exploit for more cybersecurity breakdowns. And if you want to read full guide, head over to openexploit.in. The blog link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay secure.